Welcome back and thank you for watching. This is another market analysis video with NLC Capital. In this video we're going to be looking at the futures market, and we're going to be looking at a handful of tickers and giving you an idea of where we think they could be going over the next week. To start, we're going to be looking at crude oil, and this is a ticker we have obviously covered for a long time and for very good reasons. And if you would have followed our thinking and followed our advice, you've profited tremendously over the past week. Now, to start, what I'd like to talk about is these V-shaped V patterns that we've had that are just recurring pretty much at every bottom. Okay, so we had a bottom here. This is shown by this bottoming candle, and then followed by a huge up day, V-shaped recovery. Next, we have had, you can see the bottom here, okay, strong bounce back, lots of buying, V-shaped recovery. Traded up, trade sideways, sold off, bottoming, big up day, V-shaped recovery. Now, looking at near-term price action, you can see market looks like it's kind of rolling over. Okay, we're at this, pivot level, this $50 level that, plus minus one, that's shown to be a very influential area. We don't think it's going to get above 50, so we think this rolling over is going to continue and probably go back down to at least the low 40s. That'd be an appropriate level. And there you can almost expect to see another V-shaped recovery, so that's something to watch this week. Oil trading lower, and then either next week or the week after that V-shaped recovery. But just keep this ticker on your chart. Moving forward to the dollar index. So the dollar index, you can see this little uptrend that's been developing. If I correct this a little bit, you can see a little bit better. You can see didn't touch it here, but you had that bottoming action and that huge up day, and now we're kind of seeing the same thing happen. It hit this support line, and now we're trying to bounce back up. You probably will continue to see price trade higher. It definitely looks like it's going to be doing that, and you could definitely see it probably come to this $96 level. That'd be an appropriate level to see the dollar index trade to. Moving forward, let's look at the gold futures. You can see it's just been on a massive bullish uptrend this year. In this channel, higher low, excuse me. Another higher low, and now let me remove this. I thought I cleared the clutter. Apparently I did not. Okay, you can see market trading up every time we're making a higher low. Now we've kind of bottomed out. If I extend this, you can see prices about to travel into that area and either find support or break through. Excuse me while I'm talking. I'm trying to remove this box. Excuse me. And you can see prices looks like it could bounce. It's staying in this little channel, could break through. That's something to watch on gold. I wouldn't take a position. I would just stay on the sideline, see if it breaks through. If it breaks through, go short, obviously. And if it bounces, I wouldn't enter a position right away, because as you can see, it's pretty much trades sideways. Next, let's look at the corn futures. This is something again that we've talked about. You can see, pull up my price level for this one. You can see price, this was a very strong bottoming area. You had a bottom here, and then we tried to bottom here. Okay, you can see came off, trade higher, and then we just broke through. Now we're kind of rounding out. Now what could happen here is you can make a cup and handle. You can see price making, so you can see it should put us into like the mid 360s, right around here. And that'd be a very nice recovery. I'd like to see that. That'd be a nice move, and then from there you could potentially see price come back down to the support level, and then maybe find support, bounce up, and recover some of these big losses over the past few months. Moving on to natural gas. Let's look at this chart. You can see the massive bullish uptrend. Follow my cursor, follow the support. You can see, and then we break through. We traded sideways, and now we're making legs lower. So the natural gas futures market looks like it's going to definitely go lower. Okay, you have a high here, and now this looks like it's going to be the next high. It could roll over, it could come up and then roll over. But I do feel strong that this is going to continue to roll over. You can see the lows here. If I just get this right, lows, and then you have your lows right here. Now you can see, bam, came here, can't get as high as it was before, then rolled over, broke through this support level, found support here, rolled up a little bit, didn't get far, and now you could probably see natural gas roll over and go down to this $2.40 level. Or if you match it up right here, this would be $2.47. That'd be a appropriate move to look for. Finally, let's look at the VIX, our last chart. And you can see the VIX spiked a little bit last week, and it broke this little downtrend that was in, found support, and now this looks like the VIX could be going higher, which would fit our narrative of the markets trading lower into September. So that's something to keep an eye on. VIX could roll over lower, and then head higher into this $18 level, which is something I would like to see. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in receiving our free trades, follow us on social media, including Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades daily. And please give our website a visit, www.nlccapital.com, where you can get access to those free trades and subscribe to our service, where we are up over 100% this year.